friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of February the 1st to the 7th. We're in the first week of February, and in this ad we have a couple freebies, but one freebie that everybody can do. Now, this showed up in my main account, 5 back on any purchase between the 1st and the 7th. One-time use for this, but my husband's account did not get it. Meaning any purchase I do, even a 50-cent mint, I'll get $5. So that's the first little freebie if you might have it, and this is how that one works. On my husband's account, I bought a bunch of clearance body wash the day previous, and these started printing. So it's funny how one works and then the other one doesn't. And I don't know, guys. It's always random how these work, so please don't shoot the messenger, but these were printing as of Wednesday on one of my accounts. We also have these that showed up. 10 back when you spend $35 on Pampers or Loves. I believe these are all online only, so we'll have to do some deals for that. At 15 when you spend $45 on P&G items. Let's hope that the Giant Tides are included. 10 back when you spend $25 on Walgreens brand vitamins. And then the 5 back when you buy 3 dental care products. So typical stuff. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, February the 1st. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have the hype button, if you possibly can press it, I would be even more grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video if you could do those two things. And let's get right into the first freebie. So we have the Febreze. This is that little $3.49 product. So I'm assuming it's either a spray or that plug. The sprays are usually $3.49, and it's in the picture. I hate to be that person. But if it is, with the $3.50 digital coupon, we're looking at a freebie. And let's hope it's the Air Effect, which is the can of spray. We'll have to see on Sunday if it is part of it. So I'm thinking it probably is, because it's usually like in that neighborhood. Okay, so this is where we kind of get into the weeds a little bit. I'm going to go by the online prices for the whole blends and the Fructis. If the prices change, the deal is going to be different. Looking at the Fructis right now at I believe $6.29 a unit. 2 of those would be $12.58. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.58. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4.58 for the 2 or $2.29 per Fructis. We've gotten that shampoo for a lot less, so they have to give us this shampoo on a sales price, but I don't know what it is. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. The next one is with IBOTTA, and I did scan one of those smaller bottles of the whole blends. It's attaching with this, which is a 3 back when you buy 2, and hopefully it's still there. So the whole blends is a lot more expensive. It's like $7. So 2 of those would be $15.58. Subtracting the 4 off of 2, you're paying $11.58. Getting back one $4 register reward, $3 back from IBOTTA, making it $4.58 for the 2 or $2.29 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. With whole blends, we really haven't had a deal in a long time. So if you think $2.29 is a good stock up price, by all means, but I'm really hoping that both of these shampoos are on a sales price starting on Sunday the 1st, because these prices are still a bit too rich for this girl. Now we're looking at the Caress Noxzema St. Ives. I know some of the Caress body wash is on clearance, and it's part of this promotion, so if you can line up 2 clearance body washes, a much better deal. But that Noxzema face cleanser, I know a lot of us millennials really like it. On a buy one get one 50% off at $6 and some change, it's $9.73. Getting back a $4 register reward, $5.73 for the 2 or $2.86 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but who doesn't like cheap Noxzema? Next great deal is on the $3.50 Crest or Oral-B. $5 reward when you purchase 3 and a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So this is definitely a great deal of the week to stock up. 3 of these products is going to be $10.50. So either the Oral-B brushes or the toothpaste is at $3.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal to get some very inexpensive toothbrushes or the toothpaste you pick. And I know a lot of people are stocking up right now, specifically on dental care. We also have this, which is the buy one, get one 50% off on the Scott's products that are $5. So grabbing 2 of them on a buy one, get one 50% off. Well, this is pretty easy. It's $7.50 for the 2 or $3.75 per bag of toilet paper or paper towel. Got to be honest, I like the Scott's toilet paper. The Walgreens paper towel that we get for $3.99 is just a little bit more bang for your buck and a better deal, but the toilet paper by Scott is pretty good. Deals that we're looking at, yes, there has been a lot of body wash on clearance, but will there be any left on Sunday morning at your store? Some stores start marking stuff down on Saturdays. Maybe you'll find it, maybe you won't, but you have to go in store for these deals, of course. The first we're looking at, I'm just going to do a regular schmegular deal, just with regular priced items, not the clearance price. I'll leave a video at the end with a bunch of clearance deals and the math. 3 of the men's Old Spice at $7 a pop is $21. There's a Superman one too for $4.99. If you can find 3 of them, it's a much better deal. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're looking at the deal with the Dove shampoo. It's definitely not going to be that hairspray. The hairspray is probably going to be $10, but this is an ongoing deal from last week. 2 of the Dove shampoos for $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But comparatively, if Garnier is still those $6.29 or $7 or whatever those prices are, you could see with the sales price, the Dove deal is so much better. $1 in comparison to $2.29 per bottle. So this is probably what I would be going with. The Pantene at $5.49. We have a 2 off a 2 that's working with the cheaper bottles and a $3 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of the cheapy bottles, that's $10.98. Subtracting the 2 off of 2, you're paying $8.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Last week I was shocked and delighted. I got some extra points back for my purchase of my Pantene, and I absolutely love their conditioner. Let's talk about some honorable mentions, and there are quite a few. First off, I think most of the Valentine's Day cards, candy, toys, the chocolate flowers that says romance, probably even the Squishmallows, 20% off. So, week from Valentine's Day, so just something to think about. And Hallmark will be offering a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. If we can find some cheap Valentine's Day cards, this might potentially be a deal. Buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. It's typically sales priced at $2.79, so $2.79 divided by 3 makes each box 93 cents, which is the stock-up price, and these bags are quite great. My favorite. We also have this, which is a brain health pill, $10 of Walgreens cash, I think, when you buy it. I'm wondering if IBOTTA might have a rebate for that. And then we have buy 1, get 1 free for the DiGiorno pizza. As the Super Bowl is around the corner, they're going to try to promote pizza, pop, and chips, everything for a party. Speaking of which, buy 2, get 2 for free on the Coke products and 3 for $13.99 on the Canada Dry Dr. Pepper, and buy 1, get 1 free on the Lay's potato chips. So everything to have a party, all the little snack foods. We also have a buy 1, get 1 free on the whole almonds, cashew pieces, all these good products, so you might want to stock up. And finally, $1.99 for the Walgreens brand cereals, which are very comparable to Fruit Loops or the other products that you might purchase on the regular by General Mills, so you might want to try the generic, probably made in the same factory too. That's it for this video. In case you missed it, all of the clearance matchups, the video link right here for Dove and Olay. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.